Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Sezzle application on your iPhone. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Sezzle and search. Look for this application in the search result and tap on the Get button. Sezzle is a buy now pay later service that allows you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments spread out over 6 weeks. It is similar to other BNPL services like Afterpay and Klarna. Wait for the application to download and install on your device and you will be able to download Sezzle application in no time. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.